Hello and welcome to Fairlane, home of Claire and Henry Ford here in Dearborn, Michigan. My name is Tom Schuster and I'm Fairlane's preservation craftsman. And today we are in the bowling alley. Yes, the bowling alley. You don't have a bowling alley in your house? We have one here. Thought everyone had one. Anyways, the reason why we're in the bowling alley is we've had some water issues. As you can see here, there's a giant hole punched in this ceiling and on the upper wall of the bowling alley. And we know we've had water for a while, but besides seeing the water damage on the walls here, the rebar is rusted. Some of the woodwork is a little decayed. Structurally, it's all sound. We had that checked. It just has some decay on it. And we had to figure out where this water was coming from, because water is a big issue in historical homes, obviously. By punching these holes, especially the upper ones in the wall there, we could see the water coming in. And we realized it wasn't a plumbing issue. It was an outside water migrating in issue. We tracked it to the bluestone patio that overlooks the rose garden. We took up a few stones, maybe 5 or 6 stones. We dug a hole, we flooded the hole, traced the water back into here through dripping, and through, we could see it with flashlights. And so we know that's the issue. So we are now pulling up all the bluestone. We're going to dig that area up, waterproof it so we don't have this issue anymore, so we can then fix our bowling alley and bring it back to its original beauty. This is a kind of a 2-part video, all done at one time, or in one day, I should say. I'm going to pop upstairs and show you what we're doing there so you can kind of like piece it all together on what our whole process was on this. Thank you. Welcome back to the second part of it's not a series, welcome back to the second part of this video. So we started in the bowling alley. I mentioned we were coming outside. So we're outside now, and we were what was formerly the bluestone patio. We have dug it up, and we're on the edge of the rose garden, and we'll show the rose garden real quickly. And so this is where we're at. Right now I'm standing on the bowling alley. It was obviously a brick building that was, it's underground. And we are in front of the trench that's been dug. All this will be dug out. We're waterproofing the whole top of this. We're waterproofing the sides. We're also going to work our way over to the service tunnel and get every part of that we can, even though we really don't have leaking over there. That is something we're going to take care of since we're already in the process. And our goal is to not have any more water migration into the area. So once this is all waterproof, we have everything put back. We'll have obviously the substrates that we need. The stones will be put back into place. We'll mortar in between all the stones. We'll take care of all that. And then our patio will be back and beautiful. We won't have leaking into our bowling alley anymore, which will then allow us to finish the bowling alley. And we're not affecting the rose garden in the least, so it will stay in its beautiful glory that it is. And that's pretty much in a nutshell kind of what this project is for now. And if it changes, obviously I will do another video. So thank you for watching a longer video than normal, because it was 2 parts, and we appreciate you watching these videos. And we'll see you in 2 weeks with Tuesdays with Tom.